Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So right now I'm going to show you how we can take trades according to the market situation. So I'm going to start my trading from okay, I missed the trades, no issues. So right now I'm having $7 in my account. So I will start my trading and I will try to reach $50 in half hour. So I am with you all for this half hour. So let's see. Okay, if I analyze the market here, sellers are fully in control, so I can go here with the sellers. A very good entry point for me. The candle has to come down because the previous candle engulfed the candle here, and buyers are very weak in this zone, so market has to come down again. Okay, it has to close below my entry point, so let's hope for the best. This is my first trade. As I told you, I am with you all for almost half an hour, and I will try to reach my targeted amount, which is $50. So let's see. Okay, so this was my first trade and I won this trade here. Now if the market goes up, I can go here with the sellers. This is a momentum candle, a very strong candle. Okay, now you can see market is going down because I know this candle is a momentum candle. It is a sign of continuation in the middle of the trend. Now you will see I will definitely win this trade. Now if this candle closes as a bullish, I will go with this candle in an up direction. Okay, you can see I am winning this trade here. A very good trade for me. Okay, so right now in two trades I reached 12.73. So okay, market is going up. I am not getting the entry point here. Buyers are very strong and I only have these three pairs. Otherwise there will be more opportunities for me. Okay, again you can see strong buyers, again very strong buyers. Okay, it made a new high. Okay, it is going up, reaching the level very strongly. So buyers will continue. If the market comes down, I am going to take one trade in an up direction. You will see. No, I need this candle to be in red, then I'm going to take any trade. Otherwise I will not take any trade. No, again not, again not. Okay, this is the seller's entry point also, so now I can expect here also a seller's entry because you can see it is a trend line, and from this point sellers can enter into the market, so no issues at all. My prediction was for the buyers, but I checked the trend line, it is showing me that there is no need to take any trade, and now you can see my prediction was for the buyers, and you can see now after this if I get a good entry point I am going to take my trade in a down direction. Let me increase the amount. Okay, already buyers entered it. If the candle goes up a bit more, I am going to take my trade. Okay, I need a good entry point. The candle has to go up more. Now Now I have taken my trade. Now you will see the market will definitely close below my entry point and the candle will go down from this zone. So let's see, let's hope for the best because our analyses are perfect here. This is a fake breakout and I know this is a fake breakout. So now you can see market is coming down. Okay, so sorry for now because I got here okay a situation I need to go, and this is how I do my trading. So after this I think there will be no doubt in your minds that how I do my trades and why I am not losing the money. So now you can see market is going up. From this point market will again go up. So I can easily predict the candles now by seeing only 7 to 8 candles. So I think there's not a big deal in it. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all, and bye for now because I need to go. I got the message from my friend, I need to go with him, so otherwise I was here for you all. So stay blessed, have a blessed weekend, have blessed days ahead, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my telegram and you can join our channel. So now you can see I took my trade here in a down direction because this was a fake breakout. So if you want me to take another trade I can take another trade here, but I need to check this one. So now you can see this is a fake breakout. Okay, I can go here with the buyers, you will see. Okay, I clicked here, but unfortunately market gave me a late entry point. So now you will see this is again a fake breakout. So market will again go up and again I will definitely win, but because of my entry point I may get a loss in trade. So loss is also there in the binary option, and if I get here the doji I will get again a loss because you can see digital binary trading is much risky. If you get your entry point and closing point at the same time at the same zone, so you will suffer a loss. So now you can see again I won my trade. Now I started my trading from $7 and now only in 8 minutes I reached my account to $20. So this is how I am doing my trading. And now you can see I took two trades here. Now you can see I took two trades here. This was a fake breakout, this was a fake breakout. So because of them I took my trade, and now you can see I won my both trades. So again, if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. I need to go, and if you have any queries you can ask me on my telegram. You can join our channel Trading Skills, the link is in the description. And have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now, take care you all, bye.